afternoon. My name is Scott Radler, Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人张舒，在纽约向您问好。周一美股下跌，我们看到自特朗普当选总统之后呢，这是今天一个非常正式的一个回调。但是究竟这个回调是否是健康的，还是说是值得投资人担忧的呢？在接下来的一个专访当中，我们将会特别的邀请到华尔街的资深交易员来和我们分享他的看法。但在此之前呢，我们来分析一下今天影响市场的两个重要的因素。首先就是经济数据，在经济数据方面，我们看到达拉斯联储公布的最新制造业调查显示，11月份这一数字是上涨至了 8.8， 而10月份的时候这一数字仅为 6.7， 因此这样子的一个上涨对于制造业来说是一个非常好的一个反应。但另外一方面，我们看到本周将会有一系列非常重要的经济数据发布，其中最为重要的就是周五将要公布的11月份的一个就业报告，而这一报告对于联储12月份加息来说会是非常重要的一个参考指标。但是到目前为止，我们看到芝加哥商品交易所的联储观察工具显示12月加息的可能性是高达 95% 以上。但是尽管如此，加息并不是板上钉钉的事情，这一就业报告是否是利好，对于加息来说依然有着非常重要的作用。另外一方面，影响市场的就包括了欧佩克石油输出国组织明天将会进行的一个非常重要的关于控产的一个会议。今天我们看到原油市场也是在这会议的一个不断的消息当中进行着交易。在早些时候，由于利比亚的能源部长表示利比亚将不会参与这样子的一个会议，当时原油价格是受到了一些打压。但是在下午，由于伊朗能源部长表示他们将会参与这样子的一个控产协议，使得原油市场反弹。而今天原油市场反弹的另外一个非常重要的因素就是美元的走软。由于在特朗普当选之后，美元持续走强，是上涨了 4%， 因此今天这样子的一个停歇也是使得包括像黄金市场以及能源市场是受到了一些回调哈。但总的来说，今天这样子的一个回调是否在技术层面上对于投资人来说应该值得担忧呢？更多的消息，让我们来看一下今天的交易员访谈。Today, financials is leading the sectors of trading lower and also of Russell 2000, composed of small cap stocks, which are also like trading lower. So because these two sectors are kind of the sectors that benefit most after the election, today we see some weakness there. So does that concern you?
Oh, it's one day after 3 weeks of gains, so that's actually good. Traders don't want to keep trading it or chasing it. You know, I talked about late last week how sometimes, you know, an index is so overbought it's hard to buy it. It doesn't mean it's a short. Wait for a signal. Well, today you had a signal to get out of some banks, maybe get short. The same thing for the Russell for a Q trade. Let me show you the IWM. The IWM for the first time since taking back the 8 and 21 day here and taking back, you know, the highs, broke below a prior low and held below it. That could have been your short right there. Right there, it went below it and stayed below it intraday, which I'm not going to get into because that's more in regular all access. But here was your signal to get out. And here is your ascending channel that broke. So if you're playing it for a trend, an upper trend, you know what, you sold some. But if you're trading it just for, you know, the little intermediate term, this could be a good buying opportunity. Or if it even pulls back to here, it would still be fine. So the question is, where do you want to live and how active are you? For now, this little break below this was your first active sell signal, and now we'll see whether or not we could buy the 8-day and get some kind of red dog reversal like this in the next day or so, but I would be patient.
Okay. On the other hand, the metals bounce back, benefiting from the dollar snap a winning streak, and also oil. I think oil is trading on news right now because tomorrow we are going to have a big meeting to expect among the OPEC members. So how do you think about these two sectors?
Well, I think the market would like to see oil hold up and stay above 44, 45. So as long as oil stays above 44, 45, it's fine. But the metals to me are broken. Okay, they've been more oversold in the past 2 weeks than I've seen them in a while. So a little bit of a bounce today, no big deal. If you look at my my little PowerPoint I put together for post-election time, we said to sell the GLDs here. Okay, on the rally. If you didn't do it that day, look at the size of this engulfing bar. That was for you to take notice. And if you got out here, you know what? A little bit of a bounce. Okay, at this point, it's been below the 8 days. So if you were shorted, it was so extended, hopefully you covered. And now, if you're looking for a spot to reshort, we'll see if it could get rejected again at the 8 day. It's been below that since about 120. So bouncing back to here makes a little bit of sense. So we shall see. So at this point, I think it's a broken scenario to buy, but some guys might be long into tomorrow, and that's you trading actively. Okay, last time I tried to do that, it turned down fast. Maybe from this lower area, you could see a little bit better traction. And if it happens to reclaim this, here's secondary resistance that I think would be definitely a spot to sell.
Okay, that's all we have for today.
Yep, and all day long, or all week long, we will let you know the levels and what's going on. For now, a little bit of momentum lost, but I think it's healthy. Nobody wanted to buy high anymore. We want a little bit of a pullback to do some price probing and price discovery on how strong we actually are, and that'll be at the 8-day moving average in the next few sessions, so we'll revisit in the morning.
就像 Scott 所说的，今天的一个下跌呢，并不是世界末日，它只是一个非常健康的一个回调而已。感谢您收看我们今天的节目，我们下期再见。